Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, that's right. Alright, now, this COVID-19, and I'm in Collin County, Texas, McKinney, Texas. We're like everybody else, man, pretty much everything's shut down, but ours is a little different than the rest of North Texas, that's right. Oh. So, I got a couple tips for you. I want to talk about a couple of things, okay? I'm one of them essentials, so to be. So I go to work, and people leaving our work and workers, when they go to the hospitals and medical fields and stuff, they get tested at the door, make sure they have no fever and things like that. But one thing about it, the roads are pretty clear. And if you do go to a store or the post office and everything else, everybody keeps their distance. You know, about a fourth of people have masks on and gloves and stuff. Oh, the Kroger on McDermott in Allen, they've got tons of water, distilled water for those people wearing them pap smears. A buddy of mine has one of those, and I called him. He said, yeah, give me a bottle of that. And I said, okay, you know, I want you to breathe good and not snore when you're sleeping. All right, so they got yellow lines down. They're separated by 6 feet, so that if you're in line somewhere, if the post office was like that, you have to stay behind that yellow line, keeping your distance. Held the door open for people, and it just kind of like, you could tell everybody's keeping their distance. That's right. If you're in search for toilet paper, I told you on one of my other YouTube videos about this, you don't have to go into the store. All you gotta do is drive through the parking lot or look over at the parking lot of a grocery store or store, and if there is toilet paper in people's buggies, it's a buggy, then there's gonna be toilet paper inside. If you see no toilet paper in there, there ain't any inside, because everybody's gonna be buying it. That's right. Oh, they had eggs and milk at that Kroger? The meat department was opened back up, and they had some good meat going on over there. There was all the meat was there, just no toilet paper. They had 4 thermometers left. I got me one of them because ours battery went dead. It's cheaper to buy one than get a new battery, you know, but you need one of those. I'll tell you this part: if you do not have to get out of the house, do not get out of the house. And here's another tip for you. If you are going to work, it'd be your co-workers, and at your house, your neighbors. Y'all get together. So I know next door that she's got some problems and she needs bananas. She couldn't find bananas. So what do? I find bananas so I can give them to her. That's right. We got about 7.5 dozen eggs inside. Eggs don't seem to be a problem around here right now. They are off and on. Let's see what else we got. Oh, check this out. So you think about it. People are saying, I'm ready to get back to the normal. We are not going back to the normal, okay? It's going to be a new normal. There's going to be more people that learn how to prep and prepare, be ready for the next thing that happens. All right? The stock market is going to scream. And it was up today and yesterday. Stimulus package. Some of y'all are going to be getting a check. Some people do not get a check. But that's okay, you know. I hate to see us put that much money more in debt, but if it helps everything, then let's do that. As I said before, the social distancing, you can feel it when you're somewhere like that at these stores and stuff. I really don't have to go, but I do. I just bought me some fresh beef sausage over there. It's cooking right now. Gonna have that and some slice up some block cheese, some ranch, and some club crackers. Winner, winner. That's right. All right. If it's a sunny day, nice day like it is today, maybe get in your backyard, you know, kind of stretch and take some sunshine in. I heard people buying up orange juice. That's another thing I heard about. That's kind of weird. Huh. I think more people are going to learn how to cook. Too many people going to restaurants anyway. They're at home going, oh my gosh, how do you, I don't know how to cook. Learn. Papa Texas has a playlist called Papa's Kitchen. Teach you how to cook. I'm connected with a lot of people that cook indoors and show you how to, and outdoors. You know, maybe you need to delete all them channels you're watching on YouTube that have millions of subscribers and they can care less about you, and connect with some real people cooking real food, real stuff, real things. That's what Papa does out here. I'm like your next door neighbor. I don't have the gourmet setup and all the help and everything going on and all this stuff. It's just me and you. Yeah. Oh, if you really get bored, I got other playlists. Just click on my playlist there. Oh, hit that red button, says subscribe, and hit that bell, and you'll be notified when I make a video out. Oh, and I have some people that they want to come up to me in the store, and they don't. And then they'll message me and tell me about it, and they're scared. Don't be scared of Papa. Yeah, I don't mind. I might even have stickers and some Papa Texas pins and stuff in my truck. I give those out every once in a while too. Yeah, I have no problem doing that. People see my truck, take pictures of it. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, it's probably long enough. I'd hate to be stuck here. You know what? You know what Gigi, my wife, said? She said if I catch it, she's putting me out there in that trailer. And I'm gonna be stuck out there quarantined for 14 days. That's right. And I said, what about food? And I thought, well, I could just walk around and she could bring me stuff and I can cook it out here and stuff. And she said, you know what? If I make food, I'll just put it on a plate and just open up the door, set it down by the door and shut the door. And I'll call you on your cell phone. You can go out there and pick it up. And I thought, man, I'm being treated like a dog. Man. At least I can still get internet out there. I can still make videos from my trailer. Yeah. There's plenty of toilet paper out there. Alright. Again, this is probably long enough. This is your old faithful Papa Texas. Yeah. Subscribe. Hit that bell to be entertained. That's right. God blessed time. Let's get back to that new normal. That didn't sound right. Let's get back to that new normal. Let's get that stock market screaming. Let's get everybody back to work. All right. Let's make sure everybody's got food and toilet paper. Talk to your neighbors. See what they need. Tell them what you need. People barter too. You know. Think about that next time. I'm still here. You know what? You stock up on that toilet paper and this happens again, you may be able to go next door and get you some nice steaks for toilet paper. That's right. Think about it. Gas $1.24 around the corner at Rudy's in Allen. I heard that on the radio. It's real quiet around here. Real quiet. Alright. Oh. My sister had to go give something to my dad. My parents live in a living center. It's kind of like your own apartment. It's kind of a nice place. She's not allowed to go inside. I was talking to her today, and it just tore her up. All she could do was see my daddy on the other side of the window going, and say he'll be okay. He'll be okay. So everybody, he'll be okay and we'll get through this. So we can see our family again. Alright, I gotta go this time. See ya.